So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to make a word table wider and horizontal instead of taking up the full page, here's how. Firstly, click anywhere inside the table. You'll see a resize handle at the bottom right corner. Just click and drag the bottom right handle horizontally to make the table wider. Now right-click anywhere inside the table and select Table Properties. Under Alignment, choose Left, Center, or Right. If you want more control, enable Preferred Width and enter the exact width you want. In Table Properties, you can also select a round under text wrapping to allow the document's text to flow around the table. Now you can resize, position, and format your word table to create a clean horizontal layout. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.